Hi, I'm Mike Boniak, Mr. Happy House, and this is Matt, my happy customer. We have now a happy house. What do you think, Matt?
I think it's great. I mean, like everything went real smooth. Everything was fast. Everything looked great.
Yeah, and one thing we did extra, we specialize in Hardie plank, Hardie siding, painting, roofing. We also did French drains and a nice new walk path, and drains easily to the street. It was like a muddy mess when we first showed up. Now it's a lot better.
Yeah, great improvement.
So, thanks, Matt.
Thank you, sir.
It's been a pleasure working with you.
Yeah, of course.
And it looked like a new house again.
No kidding.
Yeah, I'm here today to replace some of these Airhawks. GAF and Lamenco make a metal Airhawk, which is built better. It's got a metal surface, screen, keeps the animals out, and you agree it holds up a lot better than the plastic vents, right?
Yes.
So we're gonna replace all these today, and during the process, what we got here is storm guard. We're gonna seal up and around the edges like so, all the way around. A better seal and replace the shingles all the way around the box vents and plumbing jacks. Hi, I'm Mike with Mr. Happy House, and I just want to call out the difference between the Hardie siding that we put up on this chimney and the Hardie trim versus what was there. This is what was here, and it was falling apart along the roof edge, getting in the house, and this is a fiber cement trim, but it's not the 3/4 inch Hardie trim. Here, if you get a look at it real close, you could see it's actually 3/4 inch. It's not this thin, crappy stuff. Now look at this. Look at this. Look at it. It just crumbles in your hands. Isn't that incredible? This is the stuff that came off this house. And since we redid the trim corners, we also replaced the Hardie plank, or replaced the old fiber cement with Hardie plank brand, Hardie siding, Hardie trim, and repainted, caulked and painted it with Sherwin-Williams lifetime duration paint. And it's so much better. We also redid some of the trim corners that were falling apart with the Hardie trim, and cut that arch top. It just looks so much better. Also, they had some roof related leaks and issues. We replaced these Airhawks. They used to be plastic, and I prefer the GAF brand metal box vents. And also, while we were at it, we redid the plumbing jacks. The roof is like 10 years old. And believe it or not, it's in good shape. It's a Royal Sovereign shingle. I would prefer to put the GAF Timberline, but they, the homeowner had the roofer put the GAF Royal Sovereign, which is a 25-year shingle, versus the lifetime shingle, which were, GAF certified roofers. We prefer to put a 50-year lifetime roof on for pennies on the dollar more than Royal Sovereign. But the Royal Sovereign is a good quality roof because it is a GAF product. But we were able to match the shingle perfectly, and you can't hardly tell, a 10-year roof.
with over 10,000 projects completed with 0 complaints and over 34 years in business. Let's transform your home into the home of your dreams.